Paneer, everyone's favourite. I'll let you in on a secret, it's actually really easy to make at home. Welcome to my channel, I'm Mrs. Daughter-in-law, and in this video we're going to go through a really simple way to make fresh, homemade paneer. For this recipe you'll only need 2 ingredients, 1.5 litres of full-fat whole milk and 50 millilitres of lemon juice. This can be fresh or from a bottle. Pour the milk into a saucepan and turn on the gas. Keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It will probably take about 10 minutes to boil, but keep an eye on it. Once it's done, turn off the gas and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Grab the lemon juice and pour it in. Gently stir the milk a couple of times and you'll see it starts to curdle straight away. The bigger the clumps, the better, so try to avoid stirring it anymore because you might start to break them. If you have time, let it cool in the pan just as it is. I tried to leave mine for about half an hour, but it is optional, it just helps the clumps set nicely. Now it's time to drain out the excess water. I like to rinse the paneer at this point to remove some of that lemony taste. Tip: if you're using this for rasmalai, then I would definitely rinse it. Unless you like a lemony rasmalai, you're cool, you do you. Once it's rinsed, whip out your paneer press. This thing genuinely changed my life. I use it every time I make paneer, and it makes the process really quick and easy. So if you don't already have one, you can purchase this from the link in the description below. Alternatively, you could use a cheesecloth or a piece of thin fabric to drain the paneer, but it really takes a bit more effort and it's messier. Clip the box shut and put the paneer in the fridge to cool for a little while. This speeds up the setting process. After an hour or so, you can take out the paneer and remove the lid. Voila! There you have it, homemade paneer. This is much healthier and tastes so much better than the processed paneer you can find in shops. You can eat it raw, cook it in a sabji, or even use it in desserts like rasmalai. It should last you about 4 to 5 days in an airtight container. I recommend using a non-toxic glass one like this. You can buy them from the link in the description below. For more from Mrs. Daughter-in-law, please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how your paneer turned out. See you on the next one!